Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make your own elderberry syrup. This homemade remedy is a fantastic way to support your well-being, especially during colder months. We'll start by gathering just a few key ingredients, including dried elderberries, water, and some aromatic spices. It's a straightforward process that yields a potent and delicious syrup, perfect for the whole family. Let's get started on this simple and rewarding project. First, combine your 1/2 cup of dried elderberries, 3 cups of water, and any chosen spices, like 1 cinnamon stick and a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger, in a medium saucepan. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Allow it to simmer for approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour, or until the liquid has reduced by nearly half. This slow simmer extracts all the beneficial compounds from the elderberries. Once your elderberry mixture has simmered for about 45 minutes and reduced, remove it from the heat. Let it cool down for about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, carefully mash the elderberries against the side of the pan with a spoon to release any remaining liquid and beneficial properties. Then, pour the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve or several layers of cheesecloth into a clean bowl, ensuring all solids are separated from the liquid. After straining, allow the elderberry liquid to cool completely to room temperature. This is crucial before adding your sweetener. Stir in 1 cup of raw honey or maple syrup until it is fully incorporated. Honey adds its own beneficial properties and acts as a natural preservative. Pour your finished elderberry syrup into a clean, airtight glass jar. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 2 to 3 weeks, ready for daily use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.